Talking about CEPT, the 2-year-long journey in CEPT University was full of learnings and exposures. The Masters in Interior Design program opened up a big window of opportunities for me. The program is designed to provide multidisciplinary approach which helped us to engage in different aspects of design, allowing for a comprehensive learning. The program also emphasizes on incorporating real-time design challenges, which helped us to gain hands-on experience and tackle authentic design challenges.
My initial journey with the new teaching methods, exercises, and the working approaches were kind of overwhelming, but it has transformed me into a refined version of myself, establishing new skills and a fresh attitude towards interior designing. The supportive faculty and the well-structured curriculum at CEPT have played an instrumental role in developing a diverse set of skills. Despite the overwhelming journey of my first year, I have made a significant progress, and I eagerly wait for a wonderful conclusion to this transformative journey at CEPT.
Being a student who joined the master's program immediately after bachelor's, I had a great opportunity to learn and explore with the expertise of my field. The course not only fosters to the academic growth but also personal development, which helped me navigate through the complexities of real life. Each course at MID has been meticulously crafted and which helps to kindle the innovations and bring in the ideologies into reality. The supportive community of faculty and peers throughout their encouragement and meticulous mentorship helped me throughout the journey. As I embark the next phase of my life, I am confident that the foundation laid at MID will help me throughout my journey and also in any endeavors I pursue.
The first thing which comes to my mind when I think of this program is the kind of exposure to diverse perspectives and practices. I had the opportunity to directly learn under well-renowned professionals and practitioners. They have their unique way of teaching and approach towards design. Their mentorship not only helped me expand my design ideologies, but also helped me strive excellence in my work. The Masters in Interior Design program also focus on interdisciplinary explorations. I got to explore various typological aspects in interior design like parametric design, adaptive reuse, branded environmental design, which gave me a deeper understanding of how the possibilities and complexities within the field will be. While working on the projects in the studio, I got to collaborate with peers and live professionals, which gave me an idea of how the real-world design challenges are going to be.
Holding on to this master's program at CEPT has been nothing short of transformative. One of the flexibility that the program provides, that is the selection of electives in the studio, has reinforced my goals towards the passion and the career that I wanted to pursue since the very beginning. The involvement of professionals in our studios and juries has further reinforced our creativity with the pragmatism and helps us test out the functionality and feasibility of our designs. Another unique approach that this program provides is the vertical learning that allows us to cross-function and share ideas with studios and batches that do not align with us since the very beginning. This allows us to have a very different approach towards designing and thinking, which further reinforces our designs and creativity as a whole.
I was fortunate enough to be a part of the exchange program at Istanbul Technical University, where I was accepted by ITU. The studios at ITU made us experience the rich tapestry of heritage, culture, and tradition. We designed rapid housing systems for the displaced victims of the earthquake. We had an opportunity to discuss and engage with the professor at ITU who helped us understand the rich dynamics of the society, the dynamics of the family, and the inbuilt nature of the culture and heritage. CEPT has truly ignited my passion for design and exploration and nurtured my aspirations and overall approach towards life.